let's talk about Parmesan Crisps. They're gonna take you maybe 5 minutes, probably less, and they're easy. They go with salads. They're a good snack, great with wine. And here we go. Grated Reggiano Parmigiano. You want it to come from Italy. You need some really good cheese for this one because that's all that's in it is cheese. Silpat, nothing sticks to this thing. All kitchens, commercial kitchens use them. Phenomenal. Any kitchen store. Baking sheet, preheated 400-degree oven, and you're good to go. I'm using about a half a teaspoon on here, and you want them spaced because however big you make these piles, they don't spread like a cookie, you know? So you need them spaced, and you just put them on your Silpat like that. Then you want to pat them down so they're a little bit flat. And however big you make them, that's it. So if you want them really big because you want to break them up and throw them on top of a salad because they're great and crispy like that, do it. If you want them smaller because you're having a wine party, then just make the little piles smaller. It's no big deal. It's all about what you want and how you want them to be served in the end. And now they go in the oven for 5 minutes. Preheat 400, can't stress that enough. Oh, I think those are just about perfect. So you see how nice and lacy they are? There's a little bit of air holes in these things. That's exactly what you want. You don't want them solid and flat. These are going to be nice and crispy and great over anything. Watch how slick this Silpat makes this and how easy. Check that out. Melted cheese on anything else and it would be stuck. Look, so pretty, lacy, crisp, and fabulous. Easy 5 minutes, the best appetizer or quick snack for your summer parties. You're good to go.